Hey everyone, so in today's video I just want to make this quick video for documentation purposes as well as for people that are trying to fix their MC9000, 9200, 9060, 9100, 9090, 92 and O. Has so many flavors. This unit has been around for a while. We have a lot of clients that use anywhere from the 9060s, which are I think 15 years old, running Windows Mobile and running Windows CE. So this is your typical barcode scanner. We took off the keypad, and I just want to make this video because we get this issue a lot, and sometimes it's an easy fix, sometimes it's not. And when they send an RMA to us, they say the unit can't scan. So if you want to save some money, the first thing that I would try is this. Okay, you've got the lens here, and typically what we see, because these are in warehouses, industrial warehouses, is there's a lot of fingerprints on this, right? So all you want to take is a fabric cloth, lint free so it doesn't scratch, get some Windex and just clean that off. If that doesn't work, I'd go to step 2, is I'd do a cold boot. Step 3, I'd actually, well, this is probably not available to you. It's available to resellers and techs that have kind of been in the game for a while because they have access to the software. I would upload the software. It's kind of like a cold boot upgrade to the latest BSP version, which is like the OS version. If that doesn't work, the second thing I would do is pry this off. Okay, we get a lot of these, and you have to be careful. If you don't do it, you're going to break a ribbon, and then it's going to cost you even more money. So a lot of our customers just say, you know what, just send it to Ron, send it to Innovative Digital Group, and then we take care of it. So if you want to do it, there's 2 screws here. Okay, so you just unscrew this, unscrew that, and then underneath here, hopefully you could zoom in. Let me just shine a light in here. There's 2 screws. One you open up from here, and after that, all you want to do is be very careful when you do this. You're pulling it from this way. Okay, you're pulling it that way. So you're gonna pull it that way. You're going to not do anything. Make sure that it's kept close because there's 3 wires that are here. Okay, and you can see it. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 wires here. And basically, if you have needle nose pliers, don't touch a board. Be very careful. And what I like to do is just clean on the inside here. Okay, so you clean on the inside here. And we've cleaned a lot of these. And because they're in industrial environments, there's a lot of dust. And sometimes that solves a problem. I would say 40% of the time. And the other part is your scanner. So this is a Lorax scanner. It's one of the most aggressive scanners, probably the best scanner that Symbol has made. And within the Lorax scanner, you can see that it's reflective, right? Like, so I would also take lint free. I would actually just blow compressed air. I wouldn't use an air can. I would use just an air compressor with a hose and clean this, similar to as if you're doing a maintenance on a Zebra ZT printhead or a roller. Use that kind of style of air hose. Just spray here. If you can't seem to get the dust off, then use the same lint-free cloth. We like to use 99.9 isopropylene alcohol and just kind of wipe this off, clear it off, and see if that works. It's a little more tricky because if you break this part of the ribbon, or you break this head, then your scanner probably won't connect, and it's probably going to cost you a lot more because this is one of the most expensive parts of repairing this, which is the Lorax scanner. You probably have to order another one, and then you have to worry about, okay, well, do I order one with the plate, one without the plate, or one attached? Because this also costs a lot. You can probably get them from boneyards. There's a lot of resellers out there, used resellers, and they ship it with or without, but then you have to match the version A with the proper board, and then it gets confusing. So that's why a lot of customers are just like, they just send it directly to us or send it directly to people who know what they're doing, because typically they'll have like hundreds of these in stock. And majority from what we've seen is when repairing these, it's a lot of software updates that'll fix many of your issues, but in the event that it doesn't, then it's most likely hardware. And a lot of I'm just going to get into common issues of what typically goes wrong with a lot of these scanners is the trigger here, the sound, the lens, the rubber over here, and just this being cracked. You could order this as a whole piece and then it just kind of slaps on. And the fourth thing that I see a lot happening is mostly just connectivity issues, software updates, roaming issues, radio cards that you can't really fix. You could reflash software and everything. Hopefully that works. But I'll make another video with different other parts. If you want to see something else on how we cover and how we repair these, let us know. If you're interested in getting your 9000 series units fixed, we do on-site assessments as well. Let us know and we'll give you a call. Just go to Innovative Digital Group, go to contact us, and you could send a message, attention Ron.